Yeah. Check in. What's up, family? Another day for reason. Give you some insights or whatever. Yeah, man. You know how we do. Love, respect, and honor to my good people out there, you know? Welcome to the channel. Like, subscribe. Help me grow this, you know? Help me grow the channel because whole heap of content, man. Whole heap. This is where I'm going right now. I just, you know, little introductions, a little insight on how we do it at Jamaica view to the world, you know. Yeah. Just they are easy to give thanks for life every time and always, you know. Yeah. So today we want to say love yourself and love each other. Put that as a perspective, you know. Something where y'all learn or y'all grasp towards. Yeah, man. Love yourself and love each other. Big up.